How'd you like that? That was fun. What'd you think?
Whoa. My stomach was very...
You're a Drive AutoX?
Yeah, that's the car that's fastest in our class, GT, which sus. Look at that sus wing. Yeah. Okay, fist bump. Let's go.
Let's go. 36.
Okay, this is the last one. Let's make it count.
Yeah, I'll make it count.
Hit some cones.
It's some good.
Are they under there? Woohoo! Is it easy to reach? Hang on. Let me go forward and then I'll back up. There it is. Felt it. Got another one?
What?
Is there another one under there? No? Nope.
Where did it go?
It's not under there.
What? It disappeared. I don't like that.
It's up there.